Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to uninstall 2026-01 Security Update KB5074109. Open Windows Update. Uninstall Security Update. Click Pause Updates. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.